Okay, I'm waiting. Okay. I'm gonna try to get a flight before that. You're clear, Jay.
There you go. Very nice.
That's crazy how slow that thing comes in.
Yeah, but if it gets too slow, then it gets all.
And it starts doing this.
You know, it's funny. Most planes like to snap to the left, but that one will snap right.
Right, yeah. No. Just let it roll.
I think I should fly one because I pulled those lights on. I forgot.
Hey, you got your assassin. No. No.
I know, it's crazy.
It's Saturday. And the wind's totally, like, different.
Yeah.
Okay, Ron comes down.
Who's Ron? All right, going up. I'll make it quick.
Gear up.
Fire booty. Can't believe how good the performance is on that airplane. Stop, too. You like that thing?
Yeah.
You got a gyro on it?
Whoa, whoa, whoa! I'm digging. It just did something really weird, but I do like it.
You have a gyro on that plane?
Yes, it's bouncing around too. I don't like it. I turn it down.
That plane doesn't need a gyro.
It does. It helps it.
I just don't like gyros.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
There's probably going to be weird thermals in the sky today, too.
It's. I saw the birds already flying all funky.
Because of the wind tomorrow, so
Yeah.
it's going to be expected. Cool. I want one.
It flies really good, especially for stock. Try some high alpha with it. Let's see what it does.
Only if it had the vertical takeoff. That'd be cool. I'd totally buy this and do that.
Whoa, that was weird.
It's windy.
Yeah, there's probably thermals in the sky.
Hit some weird bump.
Well, it's because of all that wind that's coming tomorrow.
Yeah.
I keep hearing a rumble over there.
Me too.
Yeah, I think it's probably some private jets out there.
Not that loud though. It sounds a little louder than that.
It's
Hey,
like
we're not very far.
We do
running
get.
up that L-39 or something.
Yeah.
That sounds like burners.
Yeah, that's
Seriously.
That's too loud to be an L-39.
Yeah, that sounds like a burner.
Sure. No, it's not. There's no friggin' bypass to it.
I mean, I see L-39s fly every week, and they're not fast when you're standing next to them. So it's like,
That sounds.
out at home.
Unless it's pointing our direction, it could be that.
yeah.
Usually,
I mean, with this wind, they would be taking off on 2.5, so.
no, but it's been running for a while, like they're doing a ground
Like a
run.
ground run up.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5,
The
4,
rudders look out of trim on
3,
that thing.
They are, I think.
1.
'Cause it's bouncing around. But that could be thermals too. I'll have to look at it when I get it down.
My biggest pet peeve is the rudders out of trim. I hate
Yeah, because then it makes the plane do
I
weird
hate
stuff.
planes
I
weird.
think they are.
So
Because it's dragging. Let me, when I land it, I'll check them.
Drawing.
Yeah. The tail, it's pulling to one side.
Yeah, I can see it's wanting to slide through the plane.
Yeah.
That plane was cool, though.
All right, let's go.
Gear down.
Must be the fly-by-wire.
All right, landing. It is. You're right, because it's got the gyro in there.
You're the only one on the.
What is that, a lemon gyro?
Yeah. The only gyro I really like.
No, it's fly-by-wire because it has servos.
Oh, you're right. It's not direct connection.
There.
Yeah, it's turning, so maybe there is trim.
Well,
Okay, Ron's down.
I mean, with that sloppy nose gear, you can't really determine it on the ground. But I don't know.
One
Looks like
minute
nice.
over.
What was
We'll
that?
see.
Was that a 5,000?
It's a 5,000. I could have gone longer. I just came in. Yeah, with the oiled gear, now it rolls forever.
Lenny's is the white one. Our strategy.
All right, all clear.
Talking us up here.
Yep.
Yeah, they are. Look at that.
I gotta go left.
Looks like the plane wanted to veer to the left, though.
Oh, because they're going like this.
Jesus. Give a toss.
Ready? Go.
Wait a second. I'm waiting. This is me.
Oh, this is you? Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Are you ready? Oh, sorry.
All right, all done.
You almost took your head off.
I know. I felt something.